Hi, I'm Carl from pedalcar.com, and this is our exclusive design Eagle Biplane. This is a great little toy with some terrific features. For one thing, it's made primarily of steel. The body, wings, elevators are made of steel. The steering wheel is chrome-plated steel. The functional kingpin style steering, something that kids love to play with. The wheels are steel with rubber tires. This is designed to last for decades. For more information about this and our other toys, please visit pedalcar.com. Thanks a lot.